Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in Boracay, one of the most beautiful and popular places in all of Philippines. And in this video, we're going to be exploring the best of what this island has to offer: blue waters, amazing food, water activities, and chill vibes. So if you're planning a trip to the Philippines, I'm going to be sharing everything you need to know before coming here: flights, visas, cost, and many more practical things. Or you just want to tag along and see what Boracay is all about, then put on your headphones and let's get this video started. Hey guys, good morning and welcome to Philippines. This country has been on my bucket list since a very long time, and in this series we are going to be going to some of the best places in Philippines. We're going to be going to Boracay, we are going to El Nido, we are going to Coron and the island of Cebu. So Philippines is such a big country, so these are all the staples I need to tick off before going to all the offbeat places. So for the first time trip, this itinerary is like the Delhi, Agra, Jaipur of India. So it's Boracay, El Nido, Coron and Cebu. So we are going to be going to all these places in the series. I've never seen such fine sand. I've never seen such blue ass waters. Like सब लोग बोलते थे before coming that Philippines are some of the best beaches in the world, and I am at a relatively popular beach. Okay, so this is relatively not even is properly commercialized. So I can just imagine what it's gonna be like in some of the offbeat beaches and places, right? So let me tell you the logistics of coming to this place. If you guys ever want to come from India, of course we took a flight from Mumbai and we flew via Singapore Airlines. So the good part is that you can fly from Mumbai to Singapore and Singapore to Cebu directly. You don't even need to go to Manila. Manila is like any other capital of Southeast Asian country like a Bangkok or Ho Chi Minh. So I did not have a calling for it, so I directly flew to Cebu and directly to the islands. Okay, so you can fly from Mumbai to Singapore. That is what we did, Singapore to Cebu. Philippines ke liye the good part is that you can come here on a Singapore visa or the US visa. Okay, hold on. There has been a slight change in the visa rules since I recorded this video. So as of 1st of March 2026, Indians do not require a visa to enter the Philippines for up to 14 days. Okay, all you need is a return ticket and maybe some proof of accommodation when you reach the immigration counter, but sometimes they don't ask, sometimes they do, so always have that. In case you have a US, UK, Shenzhen, Singapore or a Japan visa, I'm not sure, you can stay up to 30 days overall, right? So just an Indian passport, nothing, you can stay up to 14 days. If you have a US visa, if you have a UK visa or Shenzhen or Singapore, you can stay up to 30 days in the Philippines. That is the latest update as of now. But again, always I advise you keep checking visa requirements because these keep changing time to time and you never know when this changes. So again, whenever you're planning your trip, check the latest visa requirements and then you go ahead with your trip. Anyways, let's get back to the video. And before coming to the Philippines, you will need to fill up this e-travel registration online form sort of a thing. I'll put a link to all this in the description because they will ask for it. It's like you fill it up, then you fill up all your details, which flight you're coming, when you're going, and then you get a QR code, and at the immigration they'll ask for the QR code. So it's a small formality that has come up here, so just keep that in mind whenever you're coming to the Philippines. After landing at Cebu airport, we transferred to the domestic Cebu airport. Okay, so we picked up our bag, transferred to the domestic Cebu airport, and then from there we took a flight, a local flight, a domestic flight from the Cebu airport to this airport called as Caticlan. Okay, Caticlan airport is the closest to Boracay. So the flights are small, okay, very small, and wo pankhe wali flights aati hai na, that type of flights are there. And internally, Cebu Pacific is the airline that is most prevalent here. Just keep in mind that यहाँ पे all the fares, they don't include luggage. Okay, so technically we got this flight for like 1500, 2000 rupees, but for the luggage we had to pay 2000, 2500 more. Okay, so like 20 kilos ka luggage we managed somehow for all this trip. So just keep that in mind when you're booking the tickets. Add luggage separately. Okay, so we landed at Caticlan airport at night, and it was such a small little airport, like one conveyor belt, small tin box jaisa arrival, but that is what we expect. But the fact that it's working here itself is so cool. So we had pre-arranged a transfer from the airport to our hotel. Okay, you can do that. Otherwise, it's a long process. You can do it yourself as well. You can get down from the airport. There are rickshaw taxis outside. They'll take you to the ferry terminal. Ferry terminal mein you need to buy the ferry ticket, then the registration and environmental fees for coming to Boracay. So all that you need to do yourself. If you don't want to go through all the hassle, there is this company called as My Boracay Guide. We booked through them. It's very seamless. They will pick you up. They will do all the formalities. So you can do that as well. So we transferred via the ferry. रात को हम लोग पहुँचे. Right now we are staying in this place called as Banana Bay Resort. It is on the east side of the island. Okay, so Boracay Island has two sides, east and west primarily. East is relatively quieter, relatively relaxed. West is more of a party place, more of happening, shopping things वहाँ पे होती है. So because it was night and कुछ दिखने नहीं वाला था, so we just said कि let's just come to the east side, sleep here and just 10 minutes away is the west side. Okay, so it's no big deal. East side is really cool because of two things. The wind here is amazing, one, and second, there is kite surfing here. Kite surfing, wind surfing, I'm seeing all sorts of activities here. Water is this green, blue sort of a color, and there is kite surfing everywhere. Just see the drone shots that I got. Distance mein, it's all that you can see is blue waters, people are kite surfing. Forget doing, I'm just happy looking at these people doing it so well. So that is a very good vibe in the morning. And yeah, so we are starting our Boracay video with this place. We are in this area called as Bulabog Beach. Okay, this is the Bulabog Beach. This is a very quiet beach compared to the other side of the island. So if you want just some peace and quiet, just walk up from the west side, come here. Ekdam shant, coffee places hai छोटी छोटी. You can sit, enjoy these people wind surfing and have a good time. So yeah, let's start exploring the island of Boracay. Let me show you some morning shots from here. Chalo. Guys, welcome to the west side of the island. Morning mein we had an amazing time at the east side. We had some coffee, chilled at the beach, enjoyed that side. So that side is really windy. And then we checked out from the hotel and we have come now to the west side of the hotel called as Henan Crystal Sands. Okay, so यहाँ पे Henan Group करके एक बहुत बड़ा chain है. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे hotels है उसके. Okay, so one of the very good hotels is the Henan Crystal Sands. Location is amazing, the pool is amazing and the sunset views are amazing. So that is why people stay here. So west side of the island is divided into three sections. Okay, it's called as station 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so station 3 normally वहाँ पे थोड़े ultra premium resorts रहते हैं like Marriott and all these resorts. Station 2 is like the central hub जहाँ से activity start होती है, all the shopping is there. Station 2 पे there is this area called as D Mall जहाँ पे it's food, shopping, music, coffee, different kinds of things to eat and do. And station 1 is relatively moderate, दोनों mixture है all these places का. So as you can see from the shots, it's a one straight line, okay, Boracay, and center में you keep walking, enjoying. One side पे ocean है, one side पे shopping है. It's a really nice vibe here, okay. After checking in, we just checked out the resort. The room is really nice. Bedrooms, storage area, bathrooms, all of it very perfect. Then we checked out the pool. Oh man, infinity pool that looks into the ocean at sunset. That's brilliant. So that we are going to go now. Abhi time ho raha hai 4 o'clock for sunset. We'll be going there. We checked out the local restaurant यहाँ पे of the resort. That is also nice. Enjoyed a few cocktails in the afternoon, and then we just walked around. Okay, so that is what you do. You just walk around. We went to the place called as D Mall. वहाँ पे we had this really amazing ice shaven, fruity, sort of a tropical ice mash. Okay, it was so good because it's so humid right now. Bhale it's only 28 degrees, but it's so humid. So to have exact cold juices, mango, ice shaven stuff, all of it is so good. So all the stuff you get here at D Mall, you can do a little shopping, you can just walk around. So after we did that, so यहाँ पे you'll come across a lot of people offering day tours. Okay, e-rickshaws में they take you around the island. So it's a half day activity, and evening may we have planned for a sunset boat tour. So these are the things that we are planning on doing in the island of Boracay. So the theme being enjoy good food, enjoy a few cocktails, enjoy the beach and enjoy the sunset. That is the vibe of Boracay. So that is what we're going to be doing. Evening के शॉट्स दिखाता हूँ थोड़े. Evening की vibe check out करो and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, टाइम हो रहा है 6 PM और बोराकाई में जस्ट सनसेट हो रहा है. जस्ट लुक एट दिस. जस्ट लुक एट द कलर्स राइट हियर. एब्सोल्युटली ब्यूटीफुल. सॉ द कलर्स. एब्सोल्युटली ब्यूटीफुल. ऊपर नीचे स्काई, नीचे इट्स ऑल डिफरेंट शेड्स ऑफ ऑरेंज, रेड, ग्रीन, नॉट ग्रीन, ऑरेंज, रेड, येलो, ऑल डिफरेंट शेड्स. सो आई सी लॉट ऑफ पीपल जस्ट यहाँ पे आ जाते हैं सनसेट देखने थ्रू आउट द एंटायर स्ट्रिप. So that's one activity that you must do. See everywhere. That's all you can see. Just people coming for sunset. It's pretty cool. So you can also see the boats there. Tomorrow हम लोग sunset cruise के लिए जाने वाले हैं. So I'll see you tomorrow. I just had to show the sunset before signing off today. Bye. Hey guys, good morning and welcome to the third day here in Boracay. So आज morning में उठ के what we did was we just walked outside our hotel and रास्ते पे you just get all these e-bikes, okay, जो green color की e-rickshaws होती हैं. You just hail one of them and यहाँ पे थोड़े tourist spots, I won't say hot spot but like it's the recommended places to visit and see. So you can do your own research and pick the spots that you like, okay. So और आपका एक customized tour बना सकता है. So you can just approach one of these e-rickshaw fellows, tell them that I want to go to all these places and he'll take you around. The fare basic rate for this is 500 pesos for 1 hour. जहाँ पे भी जाना चाहो, जितना भी रुकना है रुको. It's not about the distance, about the time that he's there with you. So it's 500 pesos per hour, which is somewhere equivalent to 750 rupees. So that's pretty decent, I guess, 1 घंटे के लिए. And wherever you go in the island, this is the basic rate, okay? They have a standard rate and everything. So we decided to go to 3 places. One is this place called as Cujo's Keyhole. It's like a rock formation. उसके बीच से पूरा ocean जाता है and the whole of the hill is cut by the water, okay. So it's very very nice, very good place to visit. And just next to it, next to the Cujo's Keyhole is the New Coast Beach, okay. So this area is called as the New Coast Developmental Area, right? Local language में it's called as Iligan Beach. So or called as the New Coast Beach. In fact, Cujo's Keyhole का view ना इधर से ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Like you go there is lot of people are just taking photos. वो उसका actual natural beauty appreciate ही नहीं होता. So what you can come is you can come to the New Coast Beach. Just look from here. In fact, then you are able to appreciate the beauty of that. Waters are amazing. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different shades of blue and green. Okay, inside like within like 100-200 meter area. So not necessarily everyone has to come to all these places. Just do your research what you would like to do. We have decided 3 places: Puka Beach, the Keyhole, and this beach. And because we already went to Bulabag Beach on the east side on the first day, we are not going there. You could go there if you're staying on the west side completely. And again, other areas are on the west side, station 1, 2 and 3, which is more of similar things. So मेरा itinerary ये था. Anyways, let me just give you a few more shots from the morning here. चलो. Guys, continuing with the detour of Boracay, welcome to Iligan Beach. So this is one of those relatively offbeat, quiet places. You can just come here, get your snorkels, get your beach towel, sit here, and it's very quiet. Like आजू बाजू कोई नहीं है और there are just dogs here. यहाँ पे feed कर रही है प्रिया. And we just had our coffee. We just got some snacks from 7-Eleven. We're just sitting here. Beach is really nice. Just check out this view from here.
Sorry, look at it.
Look at this. That's the rock over there. I can see people snorkeling over there. And we are just sitting here. Okay, other dogs have also come. Look at this. So Philippines mein I see a lot of stray dogs, very much like India. Lot of stray dogs, and they just come. So I think more than all the touristy places, come to such quiet beaches, sit here. In fact, I'm not even joking. There at the end here, I can see like one guy is sitting ekdam naked. Okay, fully naked. He's just sitting there. So you can just imagine the amount of seclusion, right? So enjoy these shots from here. I'll see you guys soon. Chalo. Hey guys, Puka Beach was the last destination in अपना land tour Boracay का. We came back to the hotel. It was so heated up. Pool में गए, फटाफट shower लिया. Went to the pool, and inside the resort they have places where you can get massages done. That's so cool. Like pool के बाजू में there is an area where you can get massages done. दोनों ने मसाज किया, full body massage. Oh man, amazing it was. Roughly cost के हिसाब से it is 700 Filipino peso, so around 1100 रुपए. So totally worth it. Inside this amazing 5-star resort, you're getting this massage by the pool. Oh my god, that's so cool. And उसके बाद we just come to the restaurant. यहाँ पे happy hours है. So happy hours में what they do is they get you this bucket of beer. Check it right here. This is the bucket of beer, right? पूरा bucket लेकर आते हैं with ice and everything filled. Okay, ice is filled, nice cold beer with this view. Okay, check out this view. That's the view here, and oh my god, what a vibe here. And happy hour so 600 peso में तुमको मिल रहा है ये, which is basically like 1000 rupees में you're getting 6 beers. That's amazing, right? So that is what we're going to be doing right now. इसके बाद sunset के लिए we are going for a sunset cruise on one of the local boats. So yeah, just check out this vibe. Check out this amazing Boracay vibe. I'll see you guys at sunset. Bye. Hey guys, so with that we come to the end of 3 amazing days here in Boracay. So I guess this gives you an idea as to what this island is about. Good food, relaxing, massages, roaming around these blue ass waters and just having a good time. Okay, so relatively it is little commercial. It's not like one of those hidden gem sort of a places. This is like the Delhi, Agra, Jaipur of India. So you will find a lot of people just coming to you always selling things. But it is a commercial place, so it's expected, right? So there is a lot of commercialization, but I guess this is a nice place to get started with Philippines. Okay, it gives you a vibe of what this place is all about. So enjoy the good resorts, enjoy the good food, the hospitality, the amazing beaches. Just look at this behind me right now. I've come outside our hotel, beach beds लगाए हुए हैं, and you can just sit. Every hotel will have this sort of beach bed, so you can just sit, have a good time, do people watching, just relax. And we're going to be checking out, and today we are flying to El Nido. So next video is going to be all about that on the island of Palawan. So if you have any doubts about traveling to Boracay or Philippines, put it down in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Until the next time, stay safe, keep on traveling. I'll see you guys in El Nido. Bye.